the things they spoil for you, Abi? Eh?
What is it? Why are you looking so scared? What is it? What is it?
What I saw is enough to get you scared.
What is it? What did you see?
Where is your husband?
Ha! Hey, did you say where's my husband?
Hey! My husband, what happened to my husband? What? Hey! That's, hey! Oh God, I beg God, I noticed what happened to him. What did I do to this people? I told them, oh God, when did the accident happen? No! Please, hey, please. Ada, stop it!
Ada, can you just calm down?
No, what is it?
Calm down and listen to me.
What's the problem?
Your husband is okay.
Then if my husband is okay, what is it?
Listen. Okay, just listen. You know this thing called marriage, it's good that you remain wise and keep your eyes open.
My eyes are open. What is it?
Your eyes are open. Where's your husband?
Stop doing this to me now. My husband is in the shop. He should be in the shop now.
What shop?
What's going on?
Man, can anyone even trust these people? Listen, these people called men are dogs. Not even a single of them is innocent.
My husband cannot cheat on me. My husband, the man I married, he can never, ever cheat on me. And wait, and if he does, how do I stop him from cheating? How?
You're saying it like you're so sure that the man you married cannot cheat on you. Are you sure about that?
Very sure.
Well, that's your business. As for me, my husband did that once. And guess what? I dealt with him severely. Oh yes, I did. You would never imagine, right? Okay. I got fresh pepper, those big ones. Pounded it with my own hands. Do you know what? I used it to roughly massage his manhood. Yes.
You massaged your husband, Didi, with pepper. And he did not do anything to you.
What do you expect a man that is in pain to do? What exactly? I did what I did and I am not ashamed of it.
And he did not do anything to you?
What do you expect him to do, like I ask again? Listen, that is not enough. I locked him outside till the next day. Since then, my husband has never cheated on me. Never again. He respects me till date. In fact, he pampers me. So you should do something about your own. But you shouldn't just walk out calmly like that. No. Did you just walk out on me, Ada? I am asking you, did you just walk out on me?
If your husband is a cheat, mine is not.
Wow. So that's the reason you did what you just did? Walked out on me like that?
Iji, you should know me by now. I don't have time for your gossip. Please.
Can you add some respect, Ada? Just a little of it would do. So you actually think that I left all that I was doing to come here for mere gossips? If you must know, your well-loving husband, your husband that you trust so much, is catching so much fun at the moment as we speak, right there with his concubine at Santa Cruz Hotel. And this is not the first or the second time I've ever seen them. This will not be the last time your husband will be seeing those ladies. Believe me. I said leave now! So Ada asked me to leave her house. Just because I came to help her. Okay. Sunday, maybe soonest, she will be the one running to me for help.
Hi! God Almighty. Madam, is this what I'm going to be passing through this? Madam, what is it? Nothing. Nothing. I heard you shouting. Huh? Was I shouting? Yes, I heard you shouting. Ah. Mm-hmm. I didn't know I was shouting. Nothing. It's nothing. It's just some lunatics. What was I doing? Was I cleaning the house or you are still cooking, right? Yes. Please just go and continue with it. In short, if you are through, come on. Clean up this place. Can I wash it? Bring broom and sweep. Mama, I noticed this attitude a year ago. 3 different people has confronted me about this promiscuous attitude. But I chased them away. Mama, do you know that the lady I saw my husband with is a woman I respect so much?
Men, that is their nature. That is their nature. And I'm worried he gave me. You and I cannot stop them. You know? You and I cannot stop them. The only thing that can stop a cheating husband is the grace of God. You know, go? So take care of yourself. Happier. Protect yourself. You know, go? You don't have to cry.
What do I do now, Mama? I do not want to confront her because of my safety, that of my son and my husband. Just like I cannot do anything.
Your safety first. You know, go? Your safety first. You don't have to confront her or fight her over your husband. Why are they very desperate? They are very desperate and can do anything to get someone else's husband. You know, go, so you don't have to comfort her. Happier. Protect yourself, your husband and your son. You don't have to leave your home. Because if poor, she will pack in. And if you confront her or fight her, she might kill you and make your son a slave. So Rapia. You know, go, Rapia, no. You understand? Oh? So you don't have to cry. Rapia, just calm down. Oh? Nemo.
Don't mess with me. I told you you're not leaving this house until your mommy comes back. Are you hearing me?
Let me go and play game in Austin's house.
Are you deaf? I said you are not leaving this house.
I went to repair them.
How come?
Mom, I want to go play football.
You want to go play football?
Yes.
My baby, have you done your assignment? No. So you have to do your assignment first. So work before pleasure.
What?
What's what?
Why are you looking at me like that?
Well, you know you have taste for good things. You love good things.
Where is that coming from?
What I said is simple.
I still don't understand what you mean.
She's beautiful.
Who?
Your concubine.
I don't know what you're talking about. Can I eat this food in peace? Don't tell me you've started listening to gossip.
I knew about this long ago, but I just kept calm because of the respect I have for our marriage and our son.
Like I said earlier, I have no idea of what you're talking about.
You know, Muna, I am not a child. I even saw you today with her.
Saw me? With who?
Muna, if I wanted to kill you, I would have done that long ago. Do you know why? Because you eat my food every day. You startled me.
Startled, Ukwa. What is it?
Now. What do you want? See, please, babe, please, if you must do this, then you have to go and protect yourself.
What kind of talk is that one?
Which one is, what kind of talk is that one?
Which one is I have to protect myself? So it means that I'm going to infect you.
So I should not protect myself again. If you don't want to protect yourself, no problem. Allow me to protect myself.
What kind of stupid talk is that? Which one is that I want to make love with my wife, and my wife is telling me to protect myself? Since when now? Huh?
There's no problem. Baby, the money I've been asking you about, where is it? Give me the money for my hair and the clothes I wanted to buy.
Which one is the problem? Is it the money or the problem? Because we have to know the one that is the problem. You can't be bringing so many things at the same time now.
The money is the problem.
Well, me, I don't have money now.
You don't have money?
Yes.
You don't have money. I've been asking you for this money for the past 4 weeks, and you've been telling me you don't have money. You don't have money, Muna.
But I don't have now. That's why I'm not giving you the money.
Okay,
I don't understand. We are talking about another thing. You're bringing money.
You don't have money.
Are you now a prostitute that I have to pay you before anything?
Which one is that? Am I not a prostitute? What do you mean by that? Won't you give your wife money? You are no longer acting like the Muna I married. Unlike you before, by now you will give me money. You don't wait for me to ask.
Since it has gotten to that extent that I have to give you money before I make love to my wife, it's okay.
It's a lie. I did not say you have to give me money.
It's what you said now.
I just told you now that you should give me the money I've been asking you of.
But I said I don't have it at the moment.
If you don't have it, why do you now want to go do something?
You see.
You want to do
same thing I just said. Same thing.
What do you mean by same thing you just said? What do you mean by same thing
You're asking me for money before making... The woman I paid her bride price is asking me for money. It's okay, keep it.
Woman you paid which bride price?
Use Aradite and cover it.
I will use Aradite. You put your own space. You want to come and touch.
It's okay, let me sleep. I'm going to
how many weeks I've been begging for money? Let me now look. I will not take care of myself.
Build one
is it not the money I will use to buy pants? I will use to still buy wash I will use there. Oh yeah, now come and touch. Is it when I don't wash the way
I've told you to stay on your own. No?
I'm staying
I'm no longer asking you.
I was sleeping, I was lying here in peace when you were the one that came to wake me and you woke me up in pieces. So that pieces you have to inherit it now. Nonsense. You are telling me now. You are very wicked. You, this man, you are very, very wicked. Now you want to sleep. When you woke me up, you want to sleep. Is that not wickedness? Is that not wickedness?
You are the wicked person to tell me money for hand back for grand.
Which one is
Why will you tell me that?
When did I say money for hand back for grand?
Did I say money for hand back for grand? It's what you're saying. That
because you don't have anybody here to witness this. Did I say money for hand back for grand?
It's okay.
Were you not the one waking me up when I was sleeping?
Sorry, my dear, I kept you waiting. I'm so sorry.
It's nothing, true.
Are you okay? You don't look happy. Is something wrong?
Joanne, it's my husband.
Your husband? Is he fine? I mean, is something wrong? Hope he's fine.
Yes, he's fine. It's just that my husband is seeing another woman.
I'm sorry, you can't be so sure. Listen, did you see him with any woman?
No. I did not see him with any woman.
Okay.
It's just that some people have been telling me that they've been seeing him with this Calabar girl. And you know how Calabar girls are. You know that when they hold a man, they...
I understand. Please, just take it easy, okay? You know, men cannot be trusted. But with the way you speak about your husband, nobody would think that he would cheat on you. Like, I'm so sorry. Okay?
Joanne, Do you know that I even confronted my husband? He denied it. He was not even ashamed. He denied it before me. And do you know the worst part is that he was not even remorseful.
You know, I hate to hear this kind of rubbish. I hate it. I wish I know who he is. I would have gone to him to speak some sense into him. What's wrong with him? Sorry. You need to calm down, okay? Please.
That's not even my problem. The worst is that he no longer gives me money. I've been begging him for money since last week. Money for my own upkeep. He refused to give me, saying I didn't have any money. But yet he goes around spending money on women.
Now, that right there is unacceptable. He cannot cheat on you and still not take care of you. That's unacceptable. But, okay, can I give you the money? I mean, can I help? That's the least I can do. Please. How much do you want? How much do you need?
It's 110,000.
Yeah, that's fine. I can give you 110,000, but I do not have any cash here. Can you stop by tomorrow to pick it up?
Joanne, you don't bother yourself.
No. I'm not bothering myself. I can give it to you and it won't take anything from me. Just accept it, please. Okay?
Something in me says I should not accept it because I'm bothering you.
No.
Let me listen to the one that is telling me to accept.
Can you stop? Please. Can you stop by tomorrow and collect the money?
Thank you. Thank you so much, Joanne. God bless you.
Amen. Bless you too.
Sorry for disturbing you.
No. You're not disturbing me. Listen, Ada. It's fine, okay? Anytime. Do you understand? And thanks for letting me help. I appreciate it.
I beg to take my leave now.
It's okay. I'll wait for you tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. You know, I don't know. One mind said I should not disturb you, but another one said I should accept the money. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, baby.
Did you see anyone outside?
No? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just tired.
That is why I'm here to give my baby a treat.
A treat?
So let's go out for lunch.
A treat?
Yeah.
Oh, school picture.
Come on, just I want to give my baby a treat. Okay? Do you need help?
Let me just tidy up, honey.
Can't wait. Really.
Hold on. Okay. Where exactly are we going?
There's this new Chinese restaurant in town. Top notch. You're gonna love it. So it's my baby's time. Let's go.
Whatever.
But before we go,
Get out.
let's go.
I hate that. Love you.
am I doing the right thing? Yeah. Maybe I should go tell her that I want her to talk to my husband. I'm sure this will help unfold the truth. Yes. Yeah. I should tell her to help me talk to my husband. I know it will help unfold the truth. It will. Let me reverse here. These people will not give me BP. Blood pressure.
Has he gone to this time?
This is too much. This is way too much for me to handle. For a small girl like me, this is too much. Oh, hi. To be a woman is not easy. How are you, darling? You're back.
Fine.
How was school today, my love?
School was fine.
Good afternoon,
Oh, no, good afternoon.
Mom, will I have a new school bus?
Oh, school bus.
Yes.
That's nice. Nice. My love, just go upstairs, take a good bath, and Nana will give you juice to drink.
Okay. Mom, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
But you did not smile at me.
Oh, my love, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, my baby. I was just carried away. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Mom.
You know I love you so much. So go upstairs and take a bath, okay? Did you finish your food?
Yes.
That's nice. Now, if you finish taking his bath, please give him juice to drink.
Yes, Mom.
Hey, this is too much. Oh. I have to smile and be okay at the same time.
Ben, so you've been inside?
Honey, who is this?
My ex.
Oh, your ex.
Yeah, forget about her. Let's go.
Me, ex. My goodness. Who was that?
That's supposed to be your new form of serving me lunch? I asked.
And who says it is not important for me to know who my husband brings into our home? Come on, Ben, I've been knocking out here. And you have been in there, making out with another woman on our matrimonial...
What impudence! What sagacity! How dare you! How dare you! Get me water to drink. Take these things away! Take these things away from here! Ijoma! Get these things away from here! Imagine. Go on your knees and tap me the water. I said go on your knees.
I'm sorry. Please.
Ken kakaki na mazi jijiji. Inyola koko. Take your hand if that water touches me. If it drops on me. Take your hands up and feed me well.
I'm sorry.
You know, jijiji. Do you have a cocoa?
No.
What's up? Drop it before you pour this thing on me. Get out. Can you imagine? In my own house? I won't live my life the way I want it. How? Where is it done? Try this next time. Rubbish. What are you trying to do? Huh? Can you stop this and untie me now? What kind of joke is this?
Do you think our son will miss us?
See, if this is a joke, just stop it. Untie me.
What do you mean by if this is a joke? Do you think I'm stupid? See, let me tell you, there's nothing bad if I and kill myself At least when we get to the spiritual world, you will not be able to cheat again.
Just stop! Stop this now! Just stop this! Stop, please! Please, keep the knife!
Then how about me?
Hey!
Jesus! Baby! Jesus, what is it? You startled me. What is it? Eh? Huh? What is it? What is it? What is it?
A dream.
A dream? Ah! Ah! It's okay. Mommy, I need money for toiletries.
Baby. So I'm rushing out already.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's okay. Anything for my baby. See you later.
Bye. Hi.
Joel, good day.
How are you? How's your husband?
He's there. He's there. It's just that I'm not allowing his attitude to disturb me.
Yes, that's what you should do. Your health is paramount. I hope you understand that. Here, please manage this, okay? Listen, I would have done more than this, but I just paid my brother's school fees and house rent, so I'm a bit low on cash. Just manage, okay?
Sure. I'm now somehow looking like a beggar. I'm just feeling ashamed, kind of.
You are not a beggar. You're just a woman who's in need, and I'm glad I can help. Listen, just so you know, if you ever need anything, I'll be here. Here, please.
You'll be here for me. Thank you. Ah, this is too much. God bless you.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Ah, I should be going.
Alright, please be safe, okay?
You need to be safe. Thank you. Thank you.
Nana.
What do you want?
Why are you asking now? Eh? Why are you asking this kind of question? Hmm? Why are you finding it difficult to understand that I love you? Eh?
Love.
Uh-huh.
Did you just say love with this your mouth?
Now.
What kind of stupid love are you talking about?
Now calm down now. Why are you shouting?
Listen. If you don't live here and my madam or Oga comes back and meets you here, hey, you are on your own.
See, I think it's better they meet me here. They will meet me here so that I can explain. Just tell them everything. Tell them how much I love you.
Hey, God.
They keep person.
You're very, very mad. You are mad. Which kind of stupid love are you talking about? Eh? Do you know how to love? You better start going before I scream now. I'm going to shout.
Nobody will hear you now. Shout if you want to shout.
Eh?
Yes, shout. Nobody will
Eh?
shout.
You not leave. Eh? You want me to shout? Hey!
It's okay. It's okay. I will leave. Eh?
Are you going to leave?
It's okay now. I will come back again.
I'll shout though.
Nana.
Don't go. Come back here and look for who you put in trouble. This small place I am managing. Love.
Jay, my husband is seeing another woman. And I am sure you know about it.
Madam, to be honest, I don't know he's seen any woman outside. Meanwhile, how did you find out?
I did my findings carefully and I found out he's cheating on me.
In that case, I think I have to call him and talk to him.
No. That's not necessary. You don't need to. I just called you here to tell you so I can have a witness.
Okay. You just have to take it easy. I'm really sorry about that.
Jay, you don't need to be sorry. It's one of those things. But it's well. Thank you so much for at least coming out to see me.
Welcome. Yourself into a big mess like this.
I think I owe EJ an apology.
I told this guy, stop all this thing. This woman will find out one day. Now it has come. In fact, the woman will find out.
I need to apologize to Ijeoma. EJ warned me. She told me.
For how long will I keep defending you?
I will apologize to EJ. Mona.
That innocent woman. Innocent woman now. Eh?
Nana. Come again now.
You again.
Don't shout now, calm down, eh?
What have I done to you? Why can't you allow me be at peace? What is it?
See, wait. I brought news for you. Goodies. Eh? Just tell me what you want me to buy for you and I will buy it. Mention anything. mention, come on, say it.
What can you buy for me? Eh? What is it that you have that you want to buy for me?
Hey.
Hey,
See.
Biko.
Wait.
I don't want anything from you. Please.
So you mean my money cannot buy your love?
Do you have money? Ha! Do you have money?
Oh. See, let me tell you something. I will go to the village and I will sell my land. And I will have enough money. I will come and buy this love. Thank you for smiling. I know you like it.
If you don't go now, and my madam or my oga comes back and meet you here, I don't know you.
What am I coming back? Wait, so you want to deny me?
I said go!
You
don't want to go.
You like shouting.
Okay. Sorry, I shouted.
Okay.
I am very sorry.
Okay, Nana.
Just let me check what I was cooking. I'm coming.
Hey! I don't trust this smile.
Come back here. Idiot, Nana. Fool. Monkey. Come back and look for love. You're still there.
I'll come back.
Idiot. Goat. It's love that will kill you. Love will kill you. Monkey.
Nana.
Ma. Yes, ma.
Nana.
Ma.
I want to go and pick my son from school.
Okay,
you have to wash beans for moi.
that's what we're going to eat this evening.
Nana. Who has this ATM? Seems like EJ forgot her ATM card. IJ's own.
Yes, ma. That's her name.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll give it to her.
Okay, ma.
Okay, so make the beds, okay?
Yes, ma.
I'm sorry. I will not do it again. I'm so sorry. Please, just open the door for me. Please, I'm begging you. It will not repeat itself. I am sorry, please. My love, please, I'm begging you. Do not treat me this way. I'm begging you.
Ada, can you just calm down?
Calm down now. What is it?
Come down and listen to me.
What's the problem?
Your husband is okay.
Then if my husband is okay, what is it?
Listen. Okay, just listen. You know this thing called marriage. It's good that you remain wise and keep your eyes open.
My eyes are open. What is it?
Your eyes are open. Where's your husband?
Stop doing this to me now. My husband is in the shop. He should be in the shop now.
What shop?
What's going on?
Man, can anyone even trust these people? Listen, these people called men are dogs. Not even a single of them is innocent.
My husband cannot cheat on me. My husband, the man I married, he can never, ever cheat on me. And wait, and if he does, how do I stop him from cheating? How?
You're saying it like you're so sure that the man you married cannot cheat on you. Are you sure about that?
Very sure.
Well, that's your business. As for me, my husband did that once. And guess what? I dealt with him severely. Oh yes, I did. You will never imagine, alright? Okay. I got fresh pepper, those big ones. Pounded it with my own hands. Do you know what? I used it to roughly massage his manhood. Yes.
You massaged your husband, Didi, with pepper. And he did not do anything to you.
What do you expect a man that is in pain to do? What exactly? I did what I did and I am not ashamed of it.
And he did not do anything to you.
What do you expect him to do? Like I ask again. Listen, that is not enough. I locked him outside till the next day. Since then, my husband has never cheated on me. Never again. He respects me till date. In fact, he pampers me. So you should do something about your own. But you shouldn't just walk out calmly like that. No.
Okay, I said I am sorry. I didn't go anywhere. I only went to see my friend. Honey, please, I am begging you now. Okay, I'm sorry. Don't beat me. Don't tell me. Please, I'm begging you. I won't do it again.
Now I see who is being locked outside. Women and lies. Now I can handle my family issue my own way.
Ada? Ada, how are you?
I'm fine, Jay.
You're welcome.
Why are you outside? Why is your door locked?
I forgot my key when I was going out, so my husband is he's out but he's on his way to come
you
open the door.
forgot your key?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, and your husband is on his way?
Yeah, to come and open the door with his own key.
With his own key.
Yeah.
You actually forgot your ATM card.
Oh! Okay. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. So how is your husband?
He's fine. I want to go and pick my son from school.
Okay. And hope he's not. Anyway. It's okay. Thank you. Thanks. I appreciate this.
So this is how you stay outside till your husband comes?
What do you expect me to do? I don't want to go to my neighbors. Yeah, he's rushing home to come open the door for me. So I'll just have to wait.
Okay, no problem. Bye.
Okay, I'll see you soon, or later.
I'm here to see you. Yes.
Who are you? And what is it?
I'm your husband's client and I have something very important to tell you. Can we go inside?
Go inside?
Yes.
What is it you want to talk to me about?
My name is Kate and I've been meaning to come and tell you this.
What is it?
Your husband is seeing another woman.
My husband is seeing another woman?
Yes.
Are you married?
No, not yet.
Then why are you telling me this?
Listen, I felt you should know.
You felt I should know?
Yes.
Look around this vicinity. Look around. As you can see, I do not want to see you around this vicinity again. Else, I will deal with you.
Are you saying I'm lying? Your husband has been disturbing me for months now. I could even show you all the text messages he sent to me.
You and your text messages should rot in hell. Get out! This madness has to stop. It's no longer funny. This madness is getting out of hand.
Hello, my friend. Are you still angry with me? At least give me a hug. So I ask again. Are you still angry with me? Okay, I'm sorry.
Angry with you for what?
For telling you about your husband's infidelity. I was just...
I know. He cheats. And all thanks to you because I was on my way to your house to come and tell you when I saw something unbelievable. I had to come back feeling even disappointed.
Disappointed? What happened? Come on, Ada. What did he do? Did you catch him red-handed? I mean, did you catch him with a woman? I told you. I've been telling you these times without number, but you refuse to listen to me. Eh? You felt I was doing you bad, Ada. I've been saying this. I've seen your husband in different hotels with different kinds of women. Listen, if every woman can treat their husband the way I treat mine, believe me, there wouldn't be any cheating man out there.
Of course. You are right, TJ. You are very smart. You've been the one fighting this battle from the onset. And now it's playing out well.
Exactly. Exactly, my friend. I've been doing all of this because I wanted your good. I just don't want your home to break. I don't want those cheap slots out there to take your husband. Listen, if I were you, I will starve him of sex and food until he repents.
Really, you do that too?
And even more. Oh, we are friends yet? You can't even tell what I can and cannot do. Come on, Ada. I do worse than that. Do you know that I sanctioned my husband that he will never get in between my legs until he stops to cheat? Yeah.
Really? I see.
What do you mean? You see what? I'm telling you that I told my husband I was never going to have sex with him until he stops cheating on me.
until he stops cheating? I thought you said he has stopped cheating.
Oh, come off it, EJ. Did I say that? Oh. I'm sorry, I meant to say. Okay, I didn't really say that. I mean, until he treats himself from all the STDs and STIs, he will never have sex with me again. Exactly. Not like we've been sleeping, not like we've been doing the husband and wife thing. And that's exactly what I want you to do as well. I can, that's why.
She sounded sarcastic. I hope she did not see what transpired between Ben and I. Ada can be unpredictable.
Oh, so you've been fighting me because I'm managing your lazy husband. But here you are going for another man.
I beg your pardon.
You can beg my pardon over and over again. You know what? Just go home and meet your husband, cheap slut.
Did she just call me that?
This thing called marriage is a big institution. Eh? Marriage is where you learn and unlearn. In marriage, you will fail and you will pass. So wait, hadn't been I listened to EJ, this is what would have become of me. Ada, you are very intelligent. Thank God I did not listen to her. So this is what I would have seen. Oh. Lies. From now henceforth, I will follow only my instincts. Yes, only my instincts. That's what I will follow. If all married women will learn not to listen to naysayers and advisors. Stop listening to naysayers. Stop listening to advice and normal base. Just listen to your instincts. Your marriage will last. But no, we will not hear word. We want to listen to gossips. Now see where this one has landed me. So wait though, I didn't even listen to each other. What I saw today. Honey, your breakfast is ready.
Don't worry, my love. I'll eat when I get to the office.
Okay. I'll be taking my mother to the hospital on Saturday for checkup.
Oh. Can't you leave it next week?
Next week?
Yeah.
That was the same thing you told me last month, and now You're still saying the same thing again?
Oh, yes, I told you that because the money I'm expecting this week, unfortunately, I didn't get it. But I'm sure I'll get the money next week.
Why are you doing this, honey? Why are you doing this? My mother needs to go to the hospital. She needs to go for a checkup.
These days. I just told you there's no money. I don't have money now. Next week she will go for the checkup. It's very simple.
I nag. I like nagging. But I'm telling you that my mother needs to go to the hospital and you're telling me that I love nagging.
Then
She needs
use
to go
from
for a
your
checkup.
personal savings and sort it.
Which personal savings? The one you gave to me or the one I saved? Which one am I? Shebi, you're the one that asked me to stop working. Imagine, oh. You were the one who asked me to stop working and now you're telling me personal savings. Is it spiritual one or physical one? Huh? What kind of a man is this? What did I ever come to do? Joanne, please, I'm sorry to bother you, but I have a problem.
You just go straight to whatever it is. Never said you're bothering me.
My mother is not so well. She's not strong. She needs urgent medical attention. And I don't have enough money to take her to the hospital. Please, I came to ask for a loan from you.
You don't need to be like, oh please, when you're talking to me, okay? I'm sorry about your mother's health. How much do you need?
Like 50,000 naira. I'll pay back.
That's fine, you don't need to pay me back, okay? I'll give you the money.
Listen, thank you so much.
I do not have cash here, right? Okay, sorry, give me a second. Why don't you write your account details so I do a mobile transfer? I'll do it as soon as possible, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
It's fine.
And you said I should not pay you.
No, you don't need to pay me back, okay? You don't need to pay back.
I really wanted to pay you back.
Listen, when you go home, please my regards to your husband, okay? And take care of yourself.
I will. Thank you so much. Hey, I would have loved to pay you back so that when next I come, you can borrow me again. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Mona, I'm okay. Please, can I get 100? Please, like it's urgent. Thank you.
Okay, Mama.
Madam, I tried. I tried to stop her, but she pushed me away and went inside.
Who pushed you away? What are you talking about?
An angry woman.
She came right in here with her bags. And she said she's going to live with us. She's not going anywhere. She wants to stay with us in this same house.
An angry woman in my house.
Well, I got good news for you. A great one, actually. I know you'll like it.
Mom, who is this?
Oh, boy.
What are you doing here with your bags?
That's a very, very good question. That right there is a good question. You know why? We'll be having a new family member soon, and so I thought it wise to come here so we'll all live as one big, happy family.
What?
Oh, my love. My baby, let's go upstairs
No,
and change your clothes, okay?
Not so fast. Listen, baby. Come. You see, this news concerns him in particular. Darling, soon you'll be having a brother. How do you like the sound of that?
A brother?
Yes, honey.
Nana, take him upstairs. My love, don't listen to her, okay? She's just joking with you, my baby. Okay, Mom. Okay, go upstairs. Take a bath, take juice. What is the meaning of this?
Meaning of what, actually? Hmm? You're not happy for me? Tell me.
You came into my house and you're telling me to my face that you're pregnant for my husband.
So what you want to do? Fight me? You want to harm my baby? Come on, girl. You've been pregnant before. I know you know what it means for a pregnant woman to be hungry. So, I'd like you to please get into the kitchen and get me something to eat. And don't forget, I'll be needing something to drink as well. Thank you. I'm waiting! She did. Whatever. Why is everyone acting up? Why are they all acting up? I need food, please, and something to drink. My baby's hungry.
You are happy now, right? You are happy. Your manhood has finally landed you with polygamy. You are happy now, Abi? Nonsense. You are not ashamed of yourself, Abi? Shameless man.
What are you talking about?
Eh? What am I talking about? Oh, you want to deny it that you got...
So what comes out?
What are you doing here?
You're not happy I'm here? Well, newsflash.
You're pregnant. It's a lie.
It's true.
For real?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Let's go inside.
Yes.
You didn't even tell me you were coming. Oh, yes.
Thank you, sweetheart. Can you please come a bit closer? Please. Just a bit closer. Yeah.
Mona, what is the meaning of this?
The meaning of what? But she... She explained everything to you in English, or did you speak Spanish?
No, maybe Swahili.
Mona, so it has gotten to the extent that you do not care how I feel. You are so careless to the extent you brought in a woman into our matrimonial home. You do not even care how I feel, Mona.
There you go again. Of course I care. Of course I care. You don't say things like that. If I don't care, why would I be here with her? Huh? Like right now you're here. If I don't care about you, I won't even tell her let's go to the bedroom. Okay, so let's go to the bedroom. Since she's here, this will give her time to, you know, picture what she wants. Exactly. Let's
Baby.
I care about how you feel. So I'm giving you the respect now to leave. Huh?
My bedroom.
Please help me with the bag.
Please, can you? Yes, be nice. Thank you. Honey, she's rude.
It's okay, I'll carry it. Easy, easy, because of the baby.
Keep darling.
I understand. Gently.
Who will like them? Who will like them? Who will understand me? Mama, pick your call. Hello, Mama. Mama, the worst has happened, though. The worst has happened. Mona brought in another woman to the house, Mama. She's pregnant for him. Mama, I'm sad, oh! Mama, I feel like killing myself, oh! Mama, I don't know what to do. I want to commit suicide. Hey!
You know what? There is nothing in this life that will surprise me again. Eh? What again?
I am so sad. Mama, I'm so sad, oh. Mama, I'm so sad. I don't know. What's it been about, Mama?
Don't worry, oh? Don't worry. We'll talk about it. You go? Bye.
Mama, you say I should calm down. Mama, I don't know how to... Mama, stop telling me to calm down. I don't know how to calm down, Mama.
Hi! This boy is not many. What is all this? So what do you know?
Madam. Madam. No, are you crying? Eh? Are you crying? Mm-mm. Are you crying? Oh, are you crying? I'm very well. Madam. Hey! They want to finish me in this house. They want to finish me.
Madam, are you sure you're okay?
I'm very okay. Fine.
Madam, please.
Am I not fine? I am very fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. What is it? They will not drive me crazy in this house. No, not drive me crazy.
Madam, please don't cry. Please don't cry. Madam, please don't cry. Oh, people, don't cry. It's okay.
You know I'm so polygamy. Oh, you married me legally. I did not follow anybody's husband.
I know it's not.
They came to follow. I'm pregnant. Did he tell you?
It's okay, madam.
Hey!
Please don't cry.
Help! Please help me! Nobody wants to help me! don't cry. It's okay. The moment I said that I should calm down. I'm coming down.
It's okay. Relax.
I'm coming. No, I'm
relaxed.
relaxed.
Relax. Sorry, madam.
My love, don't worry. With time, you will know about her, okay?
You see, because of the recent development due to unforeseen circumstances, I'd like to implore you, or, however you want to understand it, but please, I need you to move your stuffs out of our room to the guest room, okay? Because with what you've seen now, I need her to be very comfortable, okay? So please, don't take it as anything. Just kindly move your stuffs out from the room to the guest room for future purposes, please. So as you're standing up now, I implore you to go right now upstairs. You start moving it. If you need my help, maybe I can still help. Okay? So just go straight now and do it. Did she just hiss? Are you there for something? Didn't you hear what I said? Huh?
What is it? Mona, what is it? Why are you looking for words from my mouth? If you want to entertain your guests, take her to the guest room now. Me, I am not removing anything from that room.
No, I am not taking her to the guest room. You have to move your things out there to the guest room.
I will not move anything. Mona, I will not move.
Okay. No problems. Okay, let me do it myself.
Hey, Mona! If you remove anything from that room, hey, if you remove anything from that room, this house I'm going to set it ablaze. I will set this house ablaze. Trust me. Try it now. Just try it. Nonsense.
Mom, why is that angry?
Please, I can just go upstairs. Go to your room. Where's my phone? I can. Did you see? Okay. Hello, Jay. Jay, please, where are you? Just start coming to my house now. If you do not come to my house now, something is going to go wrong. Okay, you're close. You are very close. No problem. Please, I'm expecting you. Try it now. Just remove one thing from that room, Mona. Try me. You will know that you are one woman that is living in this house. Just try it. Try it. Jay, thank God you are here. I feel I'm going to explode.
What's the problem?
Jay, your friend brought in one of his concubines. I don't even know where she came from. She's pregnant for him. And that is not even the case. He asked me to leave our matrimonial bedroom and go to the guest room.
Wait.
Jay.
Mona. As in, is he mad? What has come over him?
I don't know. That's the point. I don't know. I
feel like I want to explode and like my anger, I don't know where to point.
Just calm down. Where is he at the moment?
He's inside.
Inside. Where is she? Mona, where is she? What's this I heard?
What is it you heard? No, you tell me, what is it you heard? She called you to come and flog me, right? No, flog me now. Where's your cane?
See, calm down.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you to do?
Excuse us.
What did I tell you to do? You called your army to come and flog me now? No, she called you to come and flog me.
Mona, what do you think you're doing?
Please, I'm busy. I was busy upstairs when you came and I'm going back. I thought you came here to flog me.
What do you think you're doing?
No, I thought you came... I told you to mind how you step around. I don't want anything to affect our baby. I told you that.
Sweetheart,
You need anything?
I was being
So this is true.
Yeah. Listen, at least you can see that I'm very busy and I don't need disturbance. So you can just take yourself and go home. Okay?
Mona.
My girl. Let's go, baby. Shit. Easy. Of course, that's just like that.
What did you say?
Imagine him. He walked out on me. But don't worry. I know what to do. I think I will go and talk to Priest. Definitely Priest will talk some sense into him. Okay? Just calm down.
Thank you.
See, don't confront any of them for your own safety. Okay? Just take it easy. Everything will be alright.
Please, I'm sorry for everything. I didn't know how I did it. Oh, honey, please. Baby, please, forgive me. I have something I want to share with you. Oh, my love, please. I don't know how it happened. Joanne, I'll call you back. I'm rehearsing. My love, baby, please. Please. I have something I want to share with you.
Babe, stop this. Oh, stand up. I understand. You're a changed man now. Hey, babe, I enjoyed every moment to share together. Please, just
Baby, I really need to tell you this. Please forgive me.
Babe, do you think I will not forgive you? I have forgiven you. It's okay. Oh, but with this. Oh, so lovely. I love it. Oh, babe.
Baby, the truth is that I should have been a better man. It's just
I know, just stand up. What were you thinking? Do you think I will not forgive you? I have forgiven you, my love. I have.
Baby, deep down, I'm very, very sorry.
My love. We are meant to quarrel and make up. Marriage is for better and for worse. I've forgiven you. It's okay, my love. At least I enjoyed every moment to share together, so let's go upstairs. Oh, babe, you bought me this. It's so lovely.
I'm glad you like it.
Yes, I love it. So come upstairs, Benny. Oh, shh, babe, I've told you, it's okay. Babe, forget about this. Let's go upstairs and have some fun. What is going on? African Magic Epic 152. This movie seems interesting.
Madam, someone is here to see you.
Someone?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's the person?
It's a woman. She's outside.
A woman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go.
Madam, she's the one.
Good day.
You again?
If you calm down, I'm going to tell you something that will surprise you right now.
I do not want to hear anything from you. Now get out of my house.
Why do you trust that your promiscuous husband so much?
How dare you? The next time you come to my house and say such rubbish, I'm going to unleash my dogs on you and they will feed on your flesh.
You need to start getting prepared to have a co-wife. Listen, there is no husband in town and no woman is smiling right now.
Get out! I said get out! Get out! Get out!
You need to fix it or it's going to be too late. I must make sure she finds out the truth one way or the other. Men can be very stupid and careless.
What does she mean by expecting a co-wife? Is Mona planning to marry Juan? No. He can't do that. I know Mona, he won't try that. Hey. And akwara enwe uche o, akwara enwere uche.
Madam, are you okay? Ma, is everything okay?
Nana, can I ask you a question?
You can ask me anything, Ma. I will try my best to answer you.
Like, never mind, Nana. Don't worry, just go back to your chairs. It's fine.
Why? Are you sure everything is fine?
Fine.
And that's the problem. You're not fine.
You're right, Nana. I am not fine. But I will be fine. Just go back to your chairs, okay?
Okay, Ma. I'm sorry. Why have you been avoiding me?
I've been busy.
Oh yeah? With your wife, I guess. Have you forgotten I'm carrying your child? Don't you think I need to be checked up on? Don't you think that I need some care?
Why are you raising your voice?
Let me raise my voice. I am upset, so let me raise my voice. I am carrying your child. I should not be kept
Listen,
lonely.
if you continue like this, I'm going to walk you out of my car.
You will not dare, Mona.
Enough is enough!
If this is how you speak to your wife at home, you will not speak to me like that. You hear me?
Did you just slap me? Did you just slap me?
Don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. Don't you dare.
You slapped me.
Don't touch me. I mean it. Don't come anywhere close to me.
If I touch you, what will you do?
Don't.
What?
I want you. I want you to stay the hell away from me. Mona, stay away from me. I'm sorry. Lily, I'm sorry.
If I see you anywhere close to me, if I see you anywhere close to me, if I see you close to me again, I'm going to kill you.
I'm sorry I overreacted.
Tell me.
I am sorry, please.
Very good. I'm glad this happened. At least now she'll give me some time to focus on my family. Focus on my wife. enough of this nonsense. What if she comes here to tell my wife? That means I'm doomed. Hey, hello.
Are you okay?
Yes, just I'm looking for my wallet. Can't really place where I kept it.
Your wallet?
Yeah.
Since when did you start using a wallet?
Oh no, I bought a new one. I bought a new wallet recently.
Okay, you bought a new wallet.
Oh yes.
You don't like wallet. So did you check your car?
Yes, I have. I just checked the car and I can't find it.
Then maybe to be in your office. Don't worry, let's go upstairs now. That should not be a problem.
That's
or is
true.
there something special in the wallet?
Not really, not really. It's true. Let's go inside. I'm hungry.
Are you expecting anybody?
No.
Okay.
And you, are you expecting anybody?
No, but you know anybody can come and look for me.
No, you don't have to go there. Since we are not expecting anybody, there's no point.
I sent the gate man on an errand now. Let me just go myself. I'm coming.
Kidnappers are everywhere.
Stop this, please. Don't kidnap her.
Hey, I'm finished.
Hold on, no. Our gate man is not around. I don't understand why he needs to lock the gate.
Ada, the thunder that is going to fire my husband there, the thunder that will fire Ben, that thunder will destroy all of his generation.
Which one is thunder? Why are you insulting your husband like that? What happened?
The thunder that will fire my husband, Ada. The thunder that will fire my husband. Ada, the thunder that will fire my husband is still doing press up.
What is it? What did your husband do? What did he do?
Ada, I'm ashamed to say it. I'm ashamed to say that my husband got that stupid girl pregnant.
Eh? Hey! Your husband got a girl pregnant. Hey. Eh, honey? Can you hear that? She said her husband got a girl pregnant.
Yes, so this is what I just heard now.
Hey!
How can?
Hey! Any man, eh? Hey! Any man that tries that with me, eh? He must be castrated. They will castrate the man, like the man will be brutalized. If a man tries that with me, don't think of my husband there, I will grind his head, like I will grind him like a tomato.
Did you close the gate? Who just padlocked it?
Musa is not here now. Musa is not here. I asked him to come and buy something for me. I was the one that closed the gate.
Okay, it's just for me to be aware that the gate is closed.
The gate is closed, but you don't see it. Hey! Look here. I was just shouting because my husband was here. I thought you said that you are Mike Tyson. That your husband cannot cheat on you. That you are too strong. You know how to deal with your husband. That you will use pepper to massage your husband's manhood. Abi, so what happened? Hey! I beg, keep all those your stupid answers to yourself. Don't bring that your lunatic behavior down to my house. Yeah? If you know where you took your bath, go to your toilet. Oh yeah, don't bring all this rubbish to my house again. I will not tolerate it. Not it. When you pass, not it. Hey, please hold it. Hold it there. Chibi, you say you know how to use pepper and massage your husband's manhood. Go and massage his manhood with pepper now. At least now you know my husband is not the only one that cheats. Rubbish.
But this is not why I'm here. This is not what I need right now.
It's obvious I'm in a big mess. It's obvious. Hi. If she hears this one, I'm finished. Totally finished. Honey.
Baby. Imagine that disgusting attitude from Ben. Eh? AJ is a beautiful woman. The only problem is that she's still looking for a child, and Ben has the guts to go and impregnate another woman. Eh? Some men, like, they need to be beaten. Brutally. Very stupid, man.
Yes, sure.
Eh?
Sure.
You agree?
Men. Some men. Some men.
Oh, bitch. My love, I know you're not like them. I know you're a good man. I know you cannot even try such a rubbish. You are a very good man. That's what I was telling EJ. It was God that gave you to me. Nobody gave it to me except God. So baby, my love, come and eat now. Let me prepare your food. Your food is ready.
Oh, no, baby. That my wallet I was looking for. Yeah. I have very important document. I just remembered. So I need to go to the office and confirm to make sure. And my ATM inside to block it.
Huh?
Yes, before someone will just withdraw money from there.
I didn't know the wallet is so important like that. I know your document.
It's yellowish brown.
Yellowish brown.
Mm. Let me go now.
Hey, but you have to eat now before.
No, I'm fine.
Eh?
Let me go. Hmm?
You would have called your secretary or somebody to help you check it.
Let me just run.
Yellowish brown wallet. I thought I saw something like that. Hey! Ben! Eh? So you left EJ and went to impregnate another woman. Some men are dolls. And EJ will be there making mouth. I will massage his mouth with pepper.
And where the heck do you think you're coming from?
I went to church.
You went to church?
Yes.
Common sense doesn't tell you that you hurry up to that gate and open it fast for me. Come on, move. We're both a woman. Come on, move. Think you can be holier than the bishop or even the pope? You can't be more Christian than a Christian. Come move. Come move. But fast!
What is wrong with her? She just keep calling.
Honey, this God you're seeing is wonderful, oh.
Where are you coming from?
Can you imagine? This country is just funny, oh. I was on my way coming back peacefully, oh. Before you know it, police pulled me over. Why will I wear a gold wristwatch if I'm not a Yahoo boy? Before I know it, they bundled me inside their car. That I'm a Yahoo boy, that I cannot tell them anything. I'm a Yahoo boy. See the way I carved my beard. See my wristwatch. See why will I dress fine? I'm a Yahoo boy. On their way going out. It's God's grace, so. One woman that saw me, that recognized me, that I'm a responsible married man. That was how they now told me to come down and leave. If not, I'll be in police net, oh. I'm telling you the fact, oh. Very stupid and lawless country, just like that, oh.
Muna, but you are true with all your lies and rubbish talk. You will tell me where you're coming from.
What's the meaning of that now? Which one is when I'm true with all the lies? I just told you what happened. Are you doubting me? Go to Postco roundabout and ask now.
You are talking rubbish. You have not told me where you're coming from.
Anyway, I know you want trouble and I don't have time for trouble. I'm talking rubbish. I'm talking rubbish. Your husband just told you what he encountered just now. You're telling him that he's talking rubbish. I'm talking rubbish. No problems. I don't have you. Did you lock the door?
When you're ready to tell me where you're coming from, I will open the door for you.
Meaning what now? Which one is when I'm ready to tell you where I'm coming from? I just told you what happened to me and you're locking the door. Please, I don't want problem, oh. I don't want to raise my voice.
Hey, just raise your voice now. Raise your voice, Muna. Raise your voice and say the truth. Yes, raise your voice and bring down this house. Nonsense. So you've been confusing me. No wonder you've been giving me breakfast on bed. So you will give me gifts, flowers, just to deceive me. You are a very wicked husband. Wicked husband. Enter your house now.
Come and open this door.
Enter your house. Come and
open this door.
No, enter now.
Come and open this door. FBI police held me. Come and open this door. I'll break this door.
Ben, I called you 3 times. Wherever you are, I arrest your spirit. From today henceforth, you will only love and respect me. You will not love any other woman. You will be under my control till the day you die. So shall it be.
IG.
What?
Where do you think you're coming from?
And what kind of question is that? Is that how you're supposed to welcome your wife who you last saw since yesterday?
Ijoma, where did you sleep last night?
And I said, do not ask me such stupid questions. Are you deaf?
My love. My love.
What did you just call me?
I called you my love. Are you no longer my love? It's okay, it's okay. What can I prepare for you? I mean, what do you want to eat?
Me. IJ. Your love. What you will prepare for me. Okay. Tea and egg.
Tea and egg. What about blending it with bread? That'll make it perfect.
Just get out and go and prepare what I asked you to. Because I am hungry.
It's okay, my love. But do you want it cold or hot?
Get out.
It's alright. I'll get out. It's okay. Oh, okay. Let me get out like you said.
Get out. Hey, come back here.
Her Majesty. Hey, just come back here. Hey.
Untie my shoe. Fast.
Oh, with all pleasure, with all pleasure, with all pleasure, with all
Very
pleasure.
fast.
Oh. I don't know. So, slipper, where do you keep your... You want to keep your foot on the ground?
Give me your slippers.
My, oh my. Oh, God. Wow, 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 man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Anything for love. Now I am getting out. Woo-hoo-hoo. Still giving me her bag. A designer's bag, man.
Keep them where they should.
With our pleasure.
Well arranged.
Oh, my love.
And get me easy wear.
Anything.
Hey, cold water first.
Cold water. Consider it done.
See, I don't like this thing. Huh? You want to make me raise my voice? This is not nice, though. I was trying to explain what happened to you. You didn't even let me talk. You started accusing me. Why would you accuse me now? Okay, fine. I am going to tell you what happened again. On my way coming back home peacefully, police arrested me for no just cause. They accused me of being a Yahoo boy. And when they were about taking me away, one woman came and told them not to, that she knows me. Why they freed me? I was about leaving. Then the DPO said, no, that this boy is a Yahoo boy. They must arrest him. That was how they took me to police station. Before I could say Jack, they threw me inside a cell. Please. Even the codo that beats me there is not what I will explain to you now. The only thing I want now is to just go inside, take my bath, and go to work. Please.
Muna, you are evil. You are a liar and a cheat.
I'm a liar and a cheat.
You are a liar. Until you tell me where you're coming from, I will know. You see this kid? I will know.
Do you want me to give you the DPO's number? Oh. No, let me just give you the DPO's number for peace to reign. Let me just, you can ask him. DPO. Please, just give me the key. Let me just go, please.
Muna, you are a big liar. You are a cheat.
Is there a need to prove a point? Well, there's no need to prove that point. Please, I need to give me this.
Hey, don't touch me, oh. Don't touch me, oh. Hey, let me not unleash this anger on you. Don't touch me. Stop this rubbish, oh.
I need to take my bath. Just give me the key, please. Please.
Muna, I don't want trouble. Muna, do not touch me. Do not touch me again, oh. Eh?
Give me the key. Let me go and freshen up.
Please.
Please.
I should give you key. I should give you this key. As what?
They dealt with me inside the cell.
Oh, they've not finished dealing with you.
Give me.
You need to return back. They let them finish what they started with you. Rubbish. Hey, see, stop this rubbish, Omuna. Stop it, oh. Do not take my calmness for stupidity. Else, you will regret it.
Give me the key.
What could be keeping him?
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
What's the meaning of this, Ben?
Yeah, I want to fry the egg and the bread outside. Woo.
Ben?
Yes, baby.
Are you alright?
Is anything wrong if I prepare a delicious meal for my wife?
What's the meaning of this, Ben?
We mew. You just watch me. Watch me prepare the meal. No.
Ben, stop.
Ben can't stop anything now. Ben has to prepare a meal for you.
Ben, can you stop? I don't know. You shouldn't just... I just hope it's not what I'm thinking. Please stop.
Just watch me.
Ben, stop.
Watch me prepare it.
Don't...
Yeah.
Ben, please stop. I don't...
What is it? Huh? What happened? When you roaming like in the street and shouting, what's wrong with you? Huh? What's wrong with you? Ije, talk to me. What is it? What is it now? Talk to me.
My husband is dead. Huh? My husband is dead.
Your husband is dead? What happened? What happened, DJ? Hey, Jesus. Oh my God. What happened? What happened now? What happened? What do you mean your husband is... Talk to me, DJ.
Listen, I was deceived.
You were deceived by who? DJ, talk to me. What happened?
I was deceived by a witch doctor. You see? I'm not supposed to say it, right? But it happened!
A witch doctor?
Yes, a witch doctor!
You visited a witch doctor?
Please, somebody help me! Somebody help me!
Wait, hold on. Just hold on.
I'm listening.
I understand. Just calm down.
Listening.
I understand. Now I'm not judging you. I'm not judging you.
Me.
Wait, I'm not judging you. I am not judging you.
Somebody help me!
EJ! Mama, I noticed this attitude a year ago. 3 different people has confronted me about this promiscuous attitude. But I chased them away. Mama, do you know that the lady I saw my husband with is a woman I respect so much?
Men, that is their nature. That is their nature. And I'm worried he gave me. You and I cannot stop them. You know? You and I cannot stop them. The only thing that can stop a cheating husband is the grace of God. You know, go? So take care of yourself. Happier. Protect yourself. You know, go? Hmm? You don't have to cry.
What do I do now, Mama? I do not want to confront her because of my safety, that of my son and my husband. Just like I cannot do anything.
Your safety first. You know, go? Your safety first. You don't have to confront her or fight her over your husband. Why are they very desperate? They are very desperate and can do anything to get someone else's husband. You know, go? So you don't have to confront her. Happier. Protect yourself, your husband and your son. You don't have to leave your home. Because if poor, she will pack in. And if you confront her or fight her, she might kill you and make your son a slave. So happier. You know, go? Happier no. You understand? Oh? So you don't have to cry. Just calm down. Oh? Nemo.
Hey! EJ! EJ!
I was actually coming to you. Chief Priest is dead.
Who is dead?
My husband. He started behaving like a madman. Then he ran into the street and a moving vehicle hit him.
Who killed him?
Killed him? The jazz.
Did you apply it the way I told you?
Of course I did. I did everything you asked me to. You said I should call his name 3 times. I did. Then I said exactly the things you asked me to say words by words. I did everything. Then I blew it into the air.
Was he sleeping when you did it?
I am not sure. In fact, I don't know.
Stop lying.
What?
You did not follow the instruction.
I am not lying. I did everything you asked me to. I did it exactly the way you wanted me to.
Stop lying. You did not follow the instruction. I told you to do it in front of the door while he's asleep. Don't come to me again. Else, I will make you mad.
What? But I did what you asked me to. I did everything you asked me to. I did everything you asked me to. I said it was my word. Why are you walking away?
Ben is dead. EJ went to see a witch doctor.
This is Dubai, you remember?
Yes.
Remember when we went for car race?
Yes.
That's you?
Honey, your food is ready.
This is you?
Honey, I said your food is ready.
This is when...
Dad, your food is ready.
Okay, boy. I have to go to bed. I will see you tomorrow. Good night.
Is that angry?
No. Darling, your dad is not angry. You know, whenever he wants to take his drug, that's how he behaves. Okay, so let's go upstairs so you can sleep. Tomorrow is school.
Okay, Mom.
This thing you are doing is not fair. It's not fair. What if I deny you sex for cheating? How will you feel?
Please, I don't have time for this nonsense now. I want to sleep.
That's the only thing you know how to say. You don't have time for this rubbish. You don't have time for this nonsense. Eh? Is it because you think you're a man, that's why you can get away with anything?
Why can't I have peace in my own house? Do you want me to leave this house for you? No, if you want me to leave this house, fine, I will leave. Then you can stay.
There's no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. You, Muna, you're a very wicked man. You even looked me at the face to lie to me. You lied to me. You lied.
Stay, okay? Let me go to the living room and see.
Okay, you are running. Eh? You are running. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Lie. Nonsense. Okay, continue running. It's even better for me to go sleep in this position. After all, I've never slept in the room. This position is nice.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
We came looking for you last night, but you weren't around.
Hope there's no problem.
There is no problem. Your husband is alive.
What?
Yes. When we took him to the mortuary, the mortician confirmed that he's still alive. So he's in the hospital now.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Which hospital, please?
Just come with us. Okay?
Okay, hold on.
Nurse, she knows the man who brought here.
Madam, we have to go now. We'll come back later to your house to collect the money for the ambulance.
Okay, I will give you the money when you come to the house. Thank you very much.
Chike, let us go.
Alright, madam, we'll see you some other time.
God bless you. Thank you. Please, how can I see my husband?
Are you his wife?
Yes, I am.
Okay, the doctor would like to have a word with you.
Okay, wait.
Doctor, this is the wife of the man in Ward 3.
Madam, why did it take you this late to come?
No, I traveled to the village.
Your husband needs an urgent attention.
So we need to perform a surgery in his head to get rid of the clothing blood before it gets too late.
Surgery? Okay, doctor, please, you can start.
You have to deposit a sum of 200,000 naira.
What?
Yes, and that you should do it immediately. Do it immediately.
Doctor, please. Please.
I said you need to start. Get the money, then you start up.
Oh, doctor, hold on. Okay, I'll get the money. Just start. I don't want my husband to die. Let me go and look for the money.
It depends on you.
I'm supposed to raise 200,000. Ada! Ada, please, open. Ada, please, I need your help. Please. I'm begging you, I need your help urgently.
EJ, if you are here because you want me to go and bear you witness before his people that you know nothing about his death, I am not available.
That's not it, Ada. That's not it. My husband survived it. He's alive.
Huh?
Yes, my husband is alive. But he's having internal bleeding and the doctor say he needs urgent surgery. Ada, Biko, I'm begging you. Biko. Ada, please. Don't say no, please.
Please, EJ, I don't have any money.
Ada.
I don't have money.
Ada. Please. I know I've wronged you, but please. Ada, Biko. I don't want to lose my husband. I don't want my husband to die, Ada, please. I'm begging you as my good friend. Ada, please. Ada, you're my last hope. Please just help me. Whatever it is you can raise, anything at all, let me make deposit first. Then I can run around and complete it. I'm begging you. Ada.
It's okay. It's okay, I've heard you.
Thank you.
My very good friend.
Good day, Joanne. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you. Please sit, let me get you something.
Oh no, don't bother yourself. I was actually on my way to my son's school. I want to pick him up. Then I decided to say hello since I was passing by.
Oh my. That was very thoughtful of you. Mm-hmm. So, how are you, your son, and your husband?
They are fine. Are you okay?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah, sure.
Don't worry. Let me just be on my way now. I'll come back now. I have gist for you.
Gist?
Yes, so gist.
Really? Okay, I'll be waiting to hear.
Are you sure you are okay?
Sure, fine. Perfectly okay. Trust me. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. What the heck is going on?
What I saw today should not be what I am thinking. Is she pregnant for Mona? No. Who is responsible for her pregnancy? She looks pregnant. Well, she's not pregnant. No, she's pregnant. Is Mona responsible? Ada, calm down, calm down. Your husband is not responsible for her pregnancy. Hi! Ijoma warned me. Ijoma warned me, but I will not listen. I didn't listen to her. With this my coconut head, I did not listen to her. Now see where it has landed me.
Ada, so now here you dating is the spoil for you, Abi?
Eh? What is it? Why are you looking so scared? What is it? What is it?
What I saw is enough to get you scared.
What is it? What did you see?
Where is your husband?
Ha! Hey, did you say where's my husband?
Hey! My husband, what happened to my husband? What? Hey! That's, hey! Oh God, I beg God that nothing should happen to him. What did I do to this people? I told them, oh God, what did the accident happen? No! Please, hey, please.
Ada, stop it! Ada, can you just calm down?
No, what is it?
Calm down and listen to me.
What's the problem?
Your husband is okay.
Then if my husband is okay, what is it?
Listen. Okay, just listen. You know this thing called marriage? It's good that you remain wise and keep your eyes open.
My eyes are open. What is it?
Your eyes are open. Where is your husband?
Stop doing this to me now. My husband is in the shop. He should be in the shop now.
What shop?
What's going on?
Man, can anyone even trust these people? Listen, these people called men are dogs. Not even a single of them is innocent.
My husband cannot cheat on me. My husband, the man I married, he can never, ever cheat on me. And wait, and if he does, how do I stop him from cheating? How?
You're saying it like you're so sure that the man you married cannot cheat on you. Are you sure about that?
Very sure.
Well, that's your business. As for me, my husband did that once. And guess what? I dealt with him severely. Oh yes, I did. You will never imagine, right? Okay. I got fresh pepper, those big ones. Pounded it with my own hands. Do you know what? I used it to roughly massage his manhood. Yes.
You massaged your husband, Didi, with pepper. And he did not do anything to you.
What do you expect a man that is in pain to do? What exactly? I did what I did and I am not ashamed of it.
And he did not do anything to you?
What you expect him to do, like I ask again? Listen, that is not enough. I locked him outside till the next day. Since then, my husband has never cheated on me. Never again. He respects me till date. In fact, he pampers me. So you should do something about your own. But you shouldn't just walk out calmly like that. It's not normal.
Baby, what are you doing here? You okay?
I'm fine.
So what are you doing here?
Nothing, just relaxing.
Okay, I was waiting for you in the bedroom. Let's go to bed.
No, honey, I'm not feeling sleepy now. I just want to sit here and relax. I'm trying to meditate on something.
Meditate on what?
Some pressing issues, like personal issues.
That you don't want to share with me?
No, it's nothing, honey. Go to bed. I'll join you very soon.
Okay. I'll be in the room waiting for you, yeah?
The way he's walking, his movements looks like someone that is responsible for that pregnancy. Ada, stop. Ada, stop. It's not. Hi. Hope you're fine.
Yes, I'm fine.
Congratulations.
I didn't...
Do you have anything to say?
I mean, I did not tell you that I'm pregnant.
Come on, Joanne. I am a mother. I have eyes. Congratulations once again. Bye. Take care of yourself.
Hold on a second. Please wait.
I don't deserve this.
Madam. Madam. Hey. Oga. Oga. It's Madam, oh. She's dying. Oga, please come back. She's dying here, she's dying. Madam, please don't die now. Wait for Oga to come back first now. Please, Madam. Oga. Hey. Madam, please wake up now. Wake up. Okay, just come inside and sit down first and wait for Oga first now. Madam. Leave me alone. Hey, what is it? Who put me on the ground? So you put me on the ground? You dropped me on the floor. I came out and I saw you lying down. Where's my khaki? Where is my khaki? Give me my khaki! Where's my khaki? Give me my khaki! Give me my khaki! Madam, your khaki is... You don't have to give me my khaki! You don't have to give me my khaki! Okay, let my husband come back. I will tell my husband. You have lost my khaki!
What do I call this? I mean, what kind of a woman does a thing like this? I don't feel safe here anymore. I'm not safe. Oh, Jesus.
Stop acting this way now. Stop crying. You know I don't like seeing you this way. Please stop crying. Madam, please now. You're going to fall ill. Madam, please. Madam, because... Hey. Madam, please don't cry again now, please. You will get sick, oh. You're going to be sick, Madam.
What is wrong with her?
I don't know. She has been like this since she came back.
Hello? What is it? Baby, talk to me. Why are you crying?
Leave me alone. Stop standing there asking me stupid questions.
My love, what is it now? Huh? Talk to me. What is it? Baby, now, I thought we promised each other that we are not going to hide anything. If there's any problem, talk to me. Let's know how to solve it.
Solve which problem? Clap for yourself. Nonsense. See, let me tell you, do not come close to me again, no. Chameleon, animal, nonsense. Come. Hey! People, come. Let them see. Come on, come and see my husband. My husband is a chameleon, Nonsense. Where's my slippers? Nonsense. Get up, Pepe. You don't touch me again, no. Don't touch me again. Nonsense.
Okay, sorry. Let me get you a handkerchief.
You have to go here. He has to. I need to see you now. Please.
I'll be on my way.
Baby. Here.
Sorry, I had an emergency.
Your wife brought this here.
What? How did she find out?
And how in the name of the angels am I supposed to know how she found out?
Oh my God, I'm finished.
You're not finished. I am the one who is finished here. My life is at risk staying here, in this place, in this city. Can you stop sounding like some soured milk? You need to get me out of this place. I don't feel safe here anymore. Get me out of here.
Just hold on, I'm coming, please.
This world is so scary. If I'd known that she wanted to use the knife on herself, I wouldn't have given it to her. What my eyes saw, my mouth cannot say it.
Talking about? Honey? Oh my God. Honey. My love, please. My love, please. Don't do this. Don't do this.
How old is the pregnancy?
Baby, please. Calm down. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know, please. Please. Please, my love. Drop the knife. Please, don't do this.
How could you do such a thing to me?
How could you do such a thing to me? How?
Please, my love, please.
You!
Please, just drop it, please. Please, please. Honey. Deep down, I'm very sorry for everything, please. Please. Please find a place in your heart and forgive me. Please, my love, I promise to stop living a promiscuous life. Please, forgive me. Forgive me, please. 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 Baby, I know you're hot. Please forgive me, please.
Do not touch me again.
So how did she find out?
I don't know. Listen, this is it, right? I was in the office. She walked in with these baby items, kept them on my table, and she said congratulations.
So why are you afraid? But I thought you said she was not aware you were having an affair with her husband.
Yes! I am sure. She was not aware.
There's no need to panic now. Or maybe she even concluded that we are now married, you know? Things like that.
Kate, I'm not 5. I'm not 10. I'm not 15. And I am not 20. I am an adult. I'm old enough to read people's mind. The woman I saw in my office today, the look on her face told me everything I needed to know. I mean, she looked at me directly in the face, and that look told me everything I needed to know. She knows, Kate. She knows that this child I'm carrying is her husband's child. She knows I am pregnant, and she knows it is for Muna. I'm sure of what I'm saying.
Fine. Granted. So you want to quit your job for her? Really?
I love my life. I want to be alive. Wait. What are you even talking about? You place my job above my life? She was with me a couple of times in my office. She was smiling at me the whole time, knowing that I was having an affair with her husband. And if that woman can be all nice and pretentious like she was, I fear she can walk in on me one day with a gun and blow my brains out.
Seriously, Muna, I sincerely think you're just worrying too much. It's unnecessary. This worry is unnecessary. Listen to explain yourself.
I want to believe that I'm worrying unnecessarily.
You are.
Thank you.
Rest.
Where's Ike? Is he not back from school?
That is exactly what I was trying to tell you. Madam left with Ike and came back with a bloody knife.
With a bloody knife?
Yes, sir.
Where's Ike? Where's Ike? Hey, what? Baby.
Madam.
Hey, help me. Help me. Open the door. Baby.
Madam.
Oh my God. Open the door.
Madam. Hey.
Open the car. Open the car. Open. Why?
Oh, Madam, please. Oh.
Open the gate.
Madam, please don't.
Yes, I speak to you right now. My wife is in the hospital. If anything happens to her, I am dead.
Mona, you see, I told you, cheating will only bring you problems. I warned you. Now you're putting her life in danger.
I don't just know what to do right now. I don't know. My maid said she left with him and came back with a blood-stained knife. Yes! I just don't know what to do now.
Mona, you just have to go in search of your son. And the earlier you do that, the better for you.
Jay, please, can you follow me?
No, don't get me involved in this. I have my pregnant wife to take care of.
The lady.
Oh, which lady is that?
The lady in Ward 2. She ran away.
She ran away? How can you tell me she ran away? What sort of rubbish is this?
Doctor, she wanted to attack me with a broken bottle.
So, what do we do now?
We have to call the husband.
Oh, I think that's a good idea. Hello? Oh, Mr. Muna.
Just cool. My body just make cool. I don't want any trouble. I just... What? Hi. Nobody's in the house. Hi. I just want to lie down. Man, my body just do me cool. I just want to stay and enjoy myself. So that by the time I wake up, my body will go do me cool.
You're back. You okay?
Hey. My body that is doing me cool.
But are you okay? Hey. Mother, you're fine. It's okay. Should I bring you water? You want to drink water? I should bring water. Water. Water.
I can't kill myself. I can't kill myself. Allow me to rest.
And then water.
Oh.
Water.
Give me water. Give me water.
Yes, madam.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Smelling. What I smell? Go away from there! I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry, ma. Take your cup.
Madam, are you sure you're okay?
I'm very fine.
Madam,
I just want to make my body make cool. I want to enjoy myself. I just want to stay and walk my...
Madam, Madam, please.
I thought she was missing. My love. Please. Where is our son?
So you built this marriage on lies. No wonder when I looked into your eyes the other day and I was asking you about her, you denied it. This thing you are doing is not fair. It's not fair. What if I deny you sex for cheating? How will you feel?
Please, I don't have time for this nonsense now. I want to sleep.
That's the only thing you know how to say. You don't have time for this rubbish. You don't have time for this nonsense. Eh? Is it because you think you're a man, that's why you can get away with anything?
Why can't I have peace in my own house? Do you want me to leave this house for you? No, if you want me to leave this house, fine, I will leave. Then you can stay.
There's no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. You, Muna, you're a very wicked man. You even looked me at the face to lie to me. You lied to me. You lied.
Stay, okay? Let me go to the living room and see.
Okay, you are running. Eh? You are running. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Lie. Nonsense. Okay, continue running. It's even better for me to go sleep in this position. After all, I've never slept in this position is nice. You are wicked. You are so heartless.
Baby, you have no idea how hot I am. I feel bad for everything I did. Please. Talk to me. Where is Ike?
That fateful day, you brought me flowers. You wanted to tell me about her. Yes. But no. I'm just foolish. I was blinded by love that I could not even read the handwritings on the wall. You wanted to tell me about her, but I refused. I did not allow you to. Oh.
My love. Baby, please. I have something I want to share with you.
Babe, stop this. Oh, stand up. I understand. You're a changed man now. Hey, babe, I enjoyed every moment to share together. Please, just
Baby, I really need to tell you this. Please forgive me.
Babe, do you think I will not forgive you? I have forgiven you. It's okay. Oh, look at this. So lovely. I love it. Oh, babe.
Baby, the truth is that I should have been a better man.
It's
just
I know, just stand up. What were you thinking? Do you think I will not forgive you? I have forgiven you, my love. I have.
Baby, deep down, I'm very, very sorry.
My love. We are meant to quarrel and make up. Marriage is for better and for worse. I've forgiven you. It's okay, my love. At least I enjoyed every moment to share together, so let's go upstairs. Oh babe, you bought me this. It's so lovely.
I'm glad you like it.
Yes, I love it. So come upstairs, Mammy. Oh, shh, babe. I've told you, it's okay. Babe, forget about this. Let's go upstairs and have some fun. What is one of my thoughts? You are wicked! You are a swine! You are so wicked and heartless! I hate you! You are so wicked and you don't even know what is wrong with you! Everybody else is wicked! All of you are wicked! Everybody! You are wicked! Wicked!
Madam. Did she tell you where Ike is?
No, sir. She did not tell me anything.
What have I put myself into? What have I done to myself?
Muna, I think you should be more bothered about the whereabouts of your son.
Of course I'm bothered about my son's whereabouts. But I don't want to leave this house. I feel my wife is going to take her life.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, my dear, how are you?
Okay. Madam is ready to tell us where she took Ike to.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What kind of sleep is this? Muna is still sleeping by this time. Muna! 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 What is it? Why did you jerk up like that? You startled me. Huh?
Dad.
Are you okay?
Yes, Dad.
You sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
It's just a dream. It's just a dream.
Here you are. You think you can hide from me, right? Well, you cannot because you stole from me. Now you are vulnerable.
Have you come to kill me?
Maybe yes. Maybe no. But if you're saying that because of this girl, Well, this is for protection. So how's the baby kicking?
The baby's it's fine.
Baby's fine. Well, I'm actually here for us to negotiate. Do you want to negotiate with me or you want to negotiate with the gun?
What do you want?
Good question. What do I want? Once you give birth to the baby you are carrying, you are going to give the child to I and my husband. We're going to pay you handsomely. And then you will vanish. Like you will run far away from my family. Is that a deal?
Deal.
What did you say?
Deal.
Good girl. Good girl. That is for messing around with my husband and messing my family up. You swine.
So what did you tell her?
What were you expecting me to do? Argue with her? When she was here with a gun? What are you talking about?
She should have called me on the phone.
Were you even listening to me? You don't understand, do you? She walked in here with a gun.
So you're just going to leave your child for them?
I want peace. I want to have my life back after everything. So if this is the only way out, I'll do it. Yes. Are you?
Okay.
Come and eat your food before it gets cold.
Okay. Where's Ike?
Nana has taken him to school.
And yours? You're not eating?
I've already eaten. I'm very okay. Do you know men are very stupid? Men are gullible. After everything you've done to me, you still have the nerves to sit here and eat my food. What if I tell you that you're eating your life?
You say? What?
What's what?
Why are you looking at me like that?
Well, you know you have taste for good things. You love good things.
Where is that coming from?
What I said is simple.
I still don't understand what you mean.
She's beautiful.
Who?
Your concubine.
I don't know what you're talking about. Can I eat this food in peace? Don't tell me you've started listening to gossip.
I knew about this long ago. But I just kept calm because of the respect I have for our marriage and our son.
Like I said earlier, I have no idea of what you're talking about.
You know, Muna, I am not a child. I even saw you today with her.
Saw me? With who?
Muna, if I wanted to kill you, I would have done that long ago. Do you know why? Because you eat my food every day.
No, that is not true.
You are going to die like a rat.
Hi. Why?
I'm so sorry.
No. You don't have to do this to me. We have a son together. What will you gain in killing me? What?
Everything. Vengeance.
Hi. And one more.
So you are scared of dying, but yet you hurt me every single day.
But I've told you I'm sorry. I've told you.
Sorry for what? For all the hurtful things you've done to me? Do you know you poison me every single day with your bad habits? Cheating on me as if I'm nothing. I am your wife.
Everything happened. Everything happened. You're right. But...
now you're gonna die slowly. I'm so scared.
My God will never forgive you. My God will never forgive you.
Please spare me that. You are scared of dying.
Just now I'm going to haunt you. I will haunt you.
You are lucky I didn't poison this food. Because if I wanted to kill you, I would have done that long ago. Thank your stars that you married a good woman who can tolerate your bullshits.
So, why is my tummy turning me though? If you said you didn't put anything in.
Your tummy is turning you probably because of the evil you've been doing. Sit down and eat your food.
I'm done. I'm very okay. I don't want to eat again. I lost my appetite. My love, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry for everything. I have no words to back up for what I did. I mean, it's uncalled for. Please, forgive me. Please. You are the best thing I have in this world. You are my son. Please. Forgive me, my love. Let's start all over. I promise to be the best man for you. I have always been the best. Till... should I say till the devil came in? Please. Please, baby. I don't even know what to say, but deep down, if you search my heart now, I'm truly sorry for everything. I'm truly sorry for what I put you through. Please. Please. Please, my world. Please. I'm sorry. For me, please, please, please.